Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll show you how to fix battery draining too fast on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, restrict background apps so there aren't many running in the background. Go to Settings, then go to Battery. Here we have battery usage by app. Click on an app and change power consumption controls to restrict background activity. Those minutes will not count anymore because this app doesn't run in the background. Next, go to Power Saving Settings and scroll down to App Battery Management. Here we have every single app. Click on it, restrict background activity, and do that for every app listed. Next, turn off any unneeded features such as Always on Display. In Home Screen, Lock Screen, and Style, we've Always on Display. Turn it off because it drains battery. Next, lower the refresh rate or change it to dynamic. You can do that in Display and Brightness settings. Scroll down to Screen Refresh Rate. I use High, which drains battery, but you can use Auto Select or Standard. Sometimes it will be 60, and if you really need it, it will be around 20 to 14 Hz. As a last resort, update your software to fix battery draining glitches. Open Settings back, scroll to System and Update, tap on Software Update. My version is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating because it's very important. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscription, and a comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.